This is my Flipkart web scraping project. If I run this project, it will give you a interface like this. If I, so in this website, you can enter any product name like Samsung, and if I click on the search bar, it will fetch the review of the Samsung mobile from the Flipkart website. So it will give you the review of the Flipkart website in this website, in my website, in a compact form. So you can go the Flipkart website, and then you can check the review on the review section. But um, if you enter this product name in this website, it will give you the review, all review of Samsung mobile in a one page. Also it will give you the, it will also give you the CSV file. If I go this project file, you can also find a .csv file like samsung.csv, geophone.csv, iphone.csv. It will also give you the CSV file, which will be completely filled with review. So this is the functionality of this project. Also, if I search any Oppo, sorry, Oppo, it will take time because Flask is not so fast. So it is a review of that Oppo mobile, of a product name of Oppo. So such Nokia. But it is the code, not it will be, it is like a mini project or medium type project. It is not very hard to build it. If you invest 2 or 3 hours, you can build it this project easily. Okay, this is the review. Nokia. So thank you.